this is a very moist, oil-based and yogurt apricot cake. I am sure you will love this one. Stay tuned and let's bake. First, we will take a look at the ingredients for today's recipe. Here I have 420 grams of all-purpose flour. I have 500 grams of apricot. It is apricot season in Austria, so I have my fresh apricot ready. I have 6 eggs. I have 225 grams of granulated sugar. Depending on how sweet you want to have it, you can go for more. Here is a pinch of salt. I have 1 packet of baking powder, which is 15 gram. 15 gram. I have my Greek yogurt, that's 200 gram. I will be going for 200 gram. And I have my natural sunflower oil, which is 150 ml. Now, after which your mise en place is ready, so you want to decide on what tools to go for to mix your batter, your cake. So I will be using my standard mixer. You can go for hand mixer or any other mixer that is capable of doing this. Okay, so I went in with my eggs and the granulated sugar. If you have vanilla essence, please add in some vanilla essence. I forgot to do that. Okay, to be honest with you. So while that is being done, I will grab my apricot, the fresh one. So just cut on the middle and take off the seed, okay? Just as you see on the screen. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are truly, truly the best, okay? So thank you so much. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Guys, we have a lot of recipes coming up on this channel, so please just stay connected by subscribing to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell just to be the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. I love you for doing that. Thank you. Okay, we will come back to our batter. It is looking super good. Now you saw me just went in with my oil, my plain oil. So go step by step. Don't just add everything once and stir in. Okay, continue to whisk, and then I'll go in with my yogurt. My yogurt is a 0.1%, but I think you can go for any other percent of yogurt. Okay, I think not a fruit yogurt. That's a 3.6 or something. Okay, I don't know. So now when that is done, after adding my yogurt, stir in, I will get a sieve and go in with your flour. Okay, my flour, I have baking powder and a pinch of salt in my flour. So sieve it in or strain it in. I don't know. Just go in with it and then use a whisk or a spatula to scrape around your bowl until you have generously incorporate everything. Make sure you go down to the bottom to prevent letting any parts behind. Okay, so I'll get my form. Depending on the form you have, you can go for round one or there's a four corner, whatever you have. So I will go in with some parchment paper, and then spread out some butter, dust in some flour, and then introduce your batter, guys. So after introducing your batter, this is what it looks like. Generously spread out, and then you want to lay out your apricot. Guys, you can go for plums, fruit. Okay, if you don't have apricot, you can go for any other fruit that is bakeable that you can use to bake cake if you don't have apricot at your place. Or you can as well, I think this batter works absolutely good without any fruit or so. So I just laid out my apricots closely to each other just like this, and it is time to bake. I bake at 170 degrees C for 25 minutes. It does not take time to be baked, but just keep your eyes on it, okay? And after 25 minutes, this is what we have, guys. It looks so good. It tasted so good. I don't know how to say this. Okay, so our usual test, just go in with some fork, and if it comes out dry, you are ready to enjoy your cake. Apricot is one of the Austrian favorite fruits. Like if you go anywhere now, you will get apricot recipe. Anything apricot recipe is out there, so we love it. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching thus far. If you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to give me a thumbs up. It will sure go a long way for me. Thank you. It does not cost a thing. Just be nice. Thank you so much. So I just allowed my cake to cool down, after which is cold. I'll just dust in some sugar on top like this. And that's it. So it's time to cut and see what we have. Like guys, this thing was so moist. It was moist. I enjoyed it. It was real good. It was tasty. So to remind you, apricot is sweet, sweet sour. So if you want to have that sweetie, depending on your apricot, some apricot are super ripe and sweet, depend on what you have. And mine looks like this. It's time to enjoy and go in with some tea. So thank you so much guys for watching to this time. I appreciate you. So what do you think about this recipe? Is it worth giving a try? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to share with your loved ones. Also leave your opinion in the comment section. I said it earlier already. Thank you.